COLLAB? It's your girl NATNOMENALRAY, and I'm coming to you for my first time with a hair review. I guess you would call it a hair review, not sure, but this is my first time doing these soft locks on my aunt. I'm gonna try to attempt. I don't like doing hair, y'all, so bear with me, but I'm gonna try to attempt, since I know about 2 months ago I got my hair done by this girl and I didn't like how she did it, so I kind of had to tweak it. So I was like, hey, I might as well try to do it on somebody else's hair just to see how it turns out. So here we go. So as you can see, I already braided her whole head, and things you'll need is, of course, the hair. We have DeJavu, Passion Twist DeJavu by DeJavu, and then you need a crochet needle. So this hair is 14 inches, by the way. I forgot to say that. And all I did was just take the hair out of the package, of course, and then I will unravel it. And after I unravel it, I will just I'll take it into 2 pieces, and I will take the crochet needle and actually loop it in, which you will see me do either now or later in the video. And after I did that, at first I would leave it even, like both sides even on both sides. But as I went on doing the others, I would do them uneven, so one side will be shorter than the other, and I think that kind of helped me out as I went along doing all the other ones. So this process was pretty easy. It took about 4 hours to do, 1 hour for braiding and 3 hours for the wrapping. And hey, if I can do it, you can do it. So again, I'm NATNOMENALRAY. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can know when I post. Duh. Be blessed.